Hi, this is Dr. Amrita and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Canva's presentation templates. It's something which you will definitely want to check out. Disclaimer up front, I am a Canva affiliate. Last time I told you about how Canva's resize option is my favorite. In July, Canva has another thing ready for you. That's a Canva presentation mode. The presentation templates on Canva are amazing, but that's just not all. If you're a person who has always wanted to create a course for your students, your readers, your followers on your blog, or maybe you are a YouTube creator who has been thinking of creating a course, then the Canva presentation template will make all your headache easier. For several years, it's almost 5 years since I started using Canva on my blog, and it's one of the best way to enhance the quality of the graphics on your blog. Now that I have already covered on another video, you can find the link in the description box. But today I'll talk to you about the presentation templates on Canva, which is just amazing. They're super cute, fun to use. You will just not want to stop playing with them. It takes the work away from creating presentations. But how you will be creating presentation was up to you. But I used it to create absolutely my first course outline videos. The main problem with me creating a course was the video. How to make it pretty, how to make it easy, doable, and get it done on time and actually get it done. So when I heard about the presentation templates on Canva, something clicked in my brain and I just opened it up and then I went through it. I went through a few of Canva's creatives and the trainings they are providing on their YouTube channel, and I realized I could not only do voiceover videos with these presentations, I could also do those talking bubble videos where the head of the presenter is there in the presentation screen, and it makes it also easy with Canva presentations because you don't have to exit from one app and go to another app. By the way, this feature is only available for Canva Pro subscribers and on the desktop version of the app. That is the recording the videos and the screen recording thing with the voiceover and everything. So if you want to do that, you go over to Canva Pro, check the link in my description, get the subscription free for 30 days at least you will be getting. And after that, you can start trying out the presentation templates and create your course. The best part is it's all so easy and you don't have to jump between apps and you don't have to plug up your desktop with all different versions of the video. You can edit it directly in the Canva desktop app itself. So what exactly did I do? I already have a blog called healthwellbridge.com, and one of my first books was starting a successful blog in India from kickstart to amazing. And I always wanted to create a course to go along with the blog and the book. But it never happened because of the video thing was really very difficult for me. So when I got the Canva presentation templates, I was ecstatic. I took out a few parts of the material from my book as a tester mode and I made a script. And then I took out some more parts and I created presentation slides from those scripted parts. And the extra part which I wanted to talk about but not clutter up my presentation template, I put it in the notes section. Then I recorded a video with the presentation template and on a presenter mode. The best part about that is you can see all your notes and the viewer is not able to see it, and you can read from it, and you can kind of, while editing also, you can find out the mistakes easier when you're going through it like that. You're not left in the dark, and the voice quality is very good, because there are lots of background noises whenever we are recording at home. But when you are using the Canva desktop app, they do a very good job of kind of removing all the extra noises. So that really helped me. And then you can animate the text on your presentations, and you can animate different parts. You can make pop-ups. You can put in a little bit of background music as you want, if you want. And you can also create PDFs from these slides, which can give as additional bonus course material. That's what I plan to do, because I have already started on a few of the early modules of the course, and Canva really makes this easier. If you have never made a course, if you have always worried about how it will turn out, the quality of the video, how to make a voiceover video, how to make the templates of your slides look good, then Canva will make this easy. It's trusted by brands all across the world, like American Express, Twitter, and everybody I know in my blogging circle. They're all using Canva. Create a Word doc with all the parts of your course. Now open Canva, find the presentation templates, choose the one you love most. Now you can customize it using your own brand logo, your brand colors, then put in the snippets from your course which you want to show on the slide, and the rest of it put it in the notes section. After you have got a few of the slides ready, you can start recording your video. Short videos I feel work best for me as a learner and as also a teacher. It prevents overwhelm, and I want one topic in one video, rather a focus point. So that's why I made short voiceover videos using those presentation templates. It's very easy. You just click on the right hand side present mode. There is an option to present and record, and once you click on that, Canva will ask your permission to use your video, that is your camera and your microphone. You have to give permission for that. After you have got it done, start recording, and then you're done. After it is done, you can download the video on your desktop and or share it as a link with your followers. Either way, you're good to go. The Canva video quality is pretty good. The audio also does a very good job of blocking off background noises, and it's very clear, and it's very easy to use. That's why I decided to create my entire course on the Canva platform using those templates. I'll be updating this video with the link of my course when it's ready. I hope you like it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, because that will help me create more such useful videos for you and also help more people find this video. If you like this video, don't forget to watch the other video about Canva that I made last month. Canva takes the headache out of creating presentations. If you have always wanted to create fun presentations with no headache, which make you look like the boss you are, then you must try the Canva Pro presentation templates today.